Welcome to my channel. It's Doingdeemost, back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're not, welcome back. Today we'll be doing a simple, easy 4-ingredient body butter. So easy, so simple. Let's go.
Okay, we have African Shea butter, followed by some sweet almond oil. Next, we have cocoa butter. Then, last but not least, mango butter. To get the whole whipped effect, you need a hand mixer and 2, I would say, stainless steel bowls. And yeah, that's it. Before we start, put a pot of water to boil on the stove on low. Half a cup of cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is an anti-inflammatory and also great for sealing moisture. Half a cup of mango butter. Honestly, it is so hard to pour and record. Your girl was struggling. Mango butter softens your skin, also protects you against sun damage, and also clears up stretch marks. Half a cup of sweet almond oil. Yes, every single drop counts. It wasn't free. Get every single drop. Last but not least, half a cup of African Shea butter. This is the best product ever. This is the holy grail. Good for all skin types. It is an anti-inflammatory. It is also moisturizing. It is also an antioxidant. This is good for everything, honestly. Get you some. Yeah, and that's it. Just 4 ingredients. Using the double boiler method to wait until this mixture liquefies. That's it. Turn that heat up. Wait, is it done? Not yet. Maybe like 5-10 more minutes. This right here, this is it. Now we add it to the fridge or freezer. If you're impatient, freezer. If not, fridge will do fine. If it looks like this, yes, you're done. It's now time to whip it. Let's just check to see if it's solid all throughout. Yep, we're good. Next step, final step. I put my bowl in the sink because sometimes it can be very messy because the blender will go crazy, body butter flying everywhere. Depending how your mixer is, put on the lowest setting. It'll be easier like that. I don't know about you, but for me, this right here is so satisfying. And we are finished. Yes, look at that. End result. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.